Well, let's see what this looks like. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out this morning, NanoBanana AI. So you've seen NanoBanana, you've seen the excitement about Google's artificial intelligence graphic creator. I guess that's the best way to describe it. And that's NanoBanana, that's the Google part. And then NanoBanana AI is using that to be a graphics creator. Let's look inside, and I like to start at the finish. $14.95, so super cheap. Fresh out this morning. It's early in the morning on the 22nd of September. Let's go inside. I'm actually not at the page. I'm at the one for the affiliates. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of this. Here we go. AI app gives you unlimited access to Google NanoBanana AI. That's $14.95, one payment. Not one payment per month, not one payment per year, one payment. So then AI models in one dashboard with no skills. You can create, edit, and sell professional quality images, everything you can imagine. So let's go a little further down. Not this part. And they go, hey, Photoshop, it's especially the AI stuff. It's clunky. It doesn't work. Here we go. The body looks warped. The face changes. And then it's built to preserve the identity. So you just tell it in plain language what you want to do. So here we go. There's a demo. There's a link in the video description that'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is all the upgrades are listed there. There is a demo video you can go through. I'll show you exactly how to use it. How long is that? I don't know. I'll just have the clip. There's a discount coupon code for $4 off. Or 30% off, depending on which one you want to use. And then there's the link. So you either click the product box at the top with a link at the bottom, and you can grab it. $4 off, $14.95. You can get it for $10.95. So this is a pretty amazing offer. Fresh out today. Whatever kind of things you're wanting to make. Restoring photos, making projects look good. Ads, flyers, menus, campaigns, logos, book covers, product shots, avatars, comics, TikToks that stop people dead, posters, gifts, memes, profile pics, all sorts of stuff. And they say if you can type a sentence, i.e. tell it what to do, you can create like a pro. It's the first breakthrough like this. And I'll let you scroll through all this. I'm going to stop right about NanoBanana. There's the demo. I still can't tell you how long it is, but it'll show you how to, we can start this up, I guess. Probably loud. Uh-oh. 4 minutes. Okay, so it's a 4-minute demo video. I'm going to leave that for you to check it out. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Again, you click the product box with a link at the bottom, and you can grab a copy for $14.95 less the $4 off discount coupon code. So grab the coupon code. It's at the bottom of that blog post, and all the upgrades are there. A bit of a description of it. The demo video is there. Everything you need is there. Click that link and go check out NanoBanana AI. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link and go check out NanoBanana AI. NanoBanana AI. There, that's what I wanted to say. Enjoy it.